back to my channel. My name is Amy if you're new here, and today we have a what I got for my birthday. I'm gonna say haul, but it's not really a haul because I didn't buy it. It was birthday presents. So it was my 21st on the 27th of October, and as you can tell, I kind of took a little bit of a break from YouTube just for the manic week we had. I've been uploading shorts, so if you'd like them, then let me know. But yes, I'm not gonna babble too much because this box looks huge. I've just kind of compiled everything in a box. And stored it over the weekend, and now actually I'm going to look through it all with you guys because I actually have been so hectic that I need to just actually remember what I got. I'm going to try and remember who gave me stuff, but I might just leave that out of the video just because, yeah, I might just leave that out and just kind of show you what I got. So if you'd like to see what I got, then just keep watching. So I'm going to kind of grab in no particular order, but the biggest kind of thing I got was this gorgeous new Loungefly bag. So if you are a Disney fan, then you'll probably know what Loungefly is, but it's basically a brand that sells lots of like kind of pop culture accessories, bags. They do Disney ears, and I got this bag. So it's this gorgeous Snow White one with all the dwarfs up the top. I know one of the things I love about this bag, which is so boring that I love this, but the backpack straps are neutral. They're like a brown colour, which is perfect. So a lot of my outfits are quite neutral, and I think this will go perfectly with any neutral outfit. And then you kind of got the pop of colour from kind of Snow White's dress, and I just think this is gorgeous. And the print in the middle, which I know a lot of you will want to see, the print inside, but it's just kind of the dwarfs with lots of flowers, which is super cute. So I'm super excited for this. And then it's got the Loungefly detail on the side. If you want a more in-depth video about Loungefly and about this Loungefly specifically, then let me know. I've got a Loungefly video about my Marvel one, so if you want an in-depth one about this, then let me know and I can show you guys all the details. The next thing I got is this gorgeous white company set. So this is a home fragrance set. So inside you get, let me open it up so you can see, you get a little candle, a reed diffuser, and then this kind of room spray. Now I sprayed this on my hand just to smell what it smelled like, and it smells insane. Literally so much that I would wear that as a perfume. But it's gorgeous, really fresh, kind of rich scent, and I think it's be perfect. I'm kind of debating whether I burn it in here, but I feel like that's a waste, so I'll definitely burn it in my bedroom. So yeah, I got this, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm feeling very spoiled. That's kind of the theme with all this. I felt very spoiled, and no one had to do this, so yeah, feeling very spoiled. Of course, the kind of standard, you have to get one at 21st glass. I haven't actually used this. I was going to use it actually on before my pre-drinks for my party, but we're so hectic, I didn't even have a chance to have a pre-drink. So I got one of these glasses, and I think it's gorgeous, and I can't wait to use it. I'm sure I'll get it out and use it over Christmas, I'm sure. Then I also got some earrings. Now I was really after just some plain gold studs. I have like every other colour, like silver, every other colour, silver. I have silver studs and I wear them all the time, but I'm kind of going more towards gold jewellery now. So I got these little plain little gold studs, and I think these would be perfect just to pair it with any outfit. I don't want a too intense earring, but I still do want the earrings to go with the outfit. I thought a gold earring is perfect. So I did actually ask for a pair of gold studs, so I'm super glad to have gotten them. Then I also got, which I'm going to not show, I don't know if I can show this, I feel like I won't show it, I'll just tell you about it. It's basically a gift voucher to go to a macaroon making masterclass. Now, the person who got this to me, along with her friends, always make macaroons for like parties and stuff, and I always request them. So she's got me a macaroon making class, so hopefully I will learn how to make them myself now. So I need to get on and book that because I'm super excited to do that. Maybe it would be nice to do over Christmas, so I'm super excited for that. Then another person got me this gorgeous scarf. Now this is actually what one of the presents was wrapped up in, which I love that idea so much. A lot of countries actually do this anyway, and that's kind of how they wrap their presents, is into pieces of fabric. I think it's such a lovely idea. So this is just a gorgeous scarf that, yeah, one of the presents was wrapped in. Then one of my friends actually drew me some art. Now, if you've been around here for a while, if you watch my videos, you'll know that I'm gonna make a gallery wall in here, which is my beauty studio. And she knew that and had made me some artwork. So she made me these two kind of women's bodies kind of paintings, and these are absolutely gorgeous, and they obviously go with the colours of the room. And then she also made me one that has a quote. This is fall in love with taking care of yourself, which obviously is very fitting for the beauty studio. So I think I'm going to put up a combination of these. I'm not quite sure which ones I'm going to put up yet because obviously the room's quite small, but I'm definitely going to put a couple of these up. So yeah, that'd be really, really nice, and such a thoughtful present I literally love. The next thing I got is this. Is kind of out of the box a little bit, so I'll take it out and show you. but it is just this gorgeous Mickey Mouse Scentsy wax melter. I literally love candles, anything like that, and obviously if you've been around here for a while, you'll know I absolutely love Disney as well, so I absolutely love this. I like how it's quite neutral colours. This will go in my bedroom absolutely fine, and you literally just take off his ears and then you put the wax in, and then yes, you have a little Mickey wax melter. This is absolutely gorgeous and super fragile, so I'm actually going to go put it over there. I then got some chockies, of course. I feel like it's not a birthday or Christmas or anything without some chockies. Then I also got these two things which came together. These are super cute. So this is a Stand-osaurus. So you basically attach it, it's kind of like a suction thing to the back of your phone. And then it's got a little dinosaur tail which will hold your phone upright so you can sort of lay down and watch your phone. And then also some of these, which are the ones that kind of clip onto your phone charger to stop kind of the fraying near the end. So these are super cute. So this is a Protectosaurus and a Stand-osaurus. And obviously, again, if you've been around here for a while, you know I love dinosaurs, so that is perfect. Then I also got one of these, which is a make your own sloth kit. I might actually have a go at this today. I've not got any plans today, and I thought it's a nice soothing activity while I'm still kind of trying to wake up from the crazy weekend. I think it's basically just a clay kit and you make up your own little sloth. Now mine will probably look nothing like this, but I'll have fun trying to attempt to make it look like this. So yeah, this is super cute and I can't wait to use this. Then I actually got some experiences as well for my birthday. Along with the macaroon making class, I'm going to see Mary Poppins on the West End, and I'm so excited to see that. I'm going with my friend Holly, and I'm just so excited. I love Mary Poppins. It's one of my favourite Disney films, and to go and see it on stage will be amazing, so I'm super excited for that. And also my friend Emily, I know I said I wasn't going to say names, and I just have said two. We're going to Buff Bingo, which is basically, I think, men in very little clothing doing bingo, and I mean, what's better than that? So we're going to go do that at some point in November as well. So both of these are going to be in November. So if you want me to vlog either of them, then just let me know. I'm super excited for that, and obviously I'll do full reviews of both either on my Instagram or on here, so you get to see what that's like. Then another kind of little specific 21st present is this gorgeous little pot. I'm going to use this to put earrings in, I think, or little bits of jewellery. I love having pots like this. If you've been around here for a while, again, you'll know I love little pots like this. I save them all the time and have little bits of jewellery, rings, whatever it is. I like to have a little pot to put them in. And then from my sister, again, so the name, that's not her name, I got this necklace, and it's just this gorgeous kind of double pendant necklace. I'm going to try and show you, but I'm not quite sure how well I am going to. And yes, so one of them has got this little green jewel on it, and then the other one is just kind of a white and gold. And I just think these are super cute. I just wanted some plain-ish necklaces to wear with kind of everyday outfits, and I really struggle because I have a lot of silver but don't really have a lot of gold. And that's definitely the colour I'm gravitating more towards at the moment. I also got some wax melts in Black Opium. Now I'm so excited because I love Black Opium. It's definitely my favourite scent of kind of perfume and things like that. And to have these in a wax melt, I'm so excited to use these, and I think it's really gorgeous. I might actually put these in my beauty room as well because I think this will smell really nice in here. And it got this gorgeous little light up bottle, so as you can see it kind of goes like that, and you have the little fairy lights inside. I think this is super cute. We've actually got loads of these downstairs on kind of our fireplace, and it looks so nice. I always think these colours would look lovely for kind of Christmas decorations. I know I'm saying it already, but I think this looks super cute, so I love this one a lot, and it's personalised. It'll be a nice little kind of memory keepsake. Also got some hotel chocolate, which is amazing. I love chocolate. I probably tuck into these today, maybe watch a film and eat these, but I'm super excited for this. I love hotel chocolate so much. It's been a really long time since I've had it, so I'm super excited to have that. I also got some eco notebooks. These like recyclable and recycled notebooks, which I'm super excited about, and then some eco pens. Now these pens are made from 60% natural fibres, and yeah, I'm super excited to try these. Also, the pattern on these really remind me of mini eggs. And I know, again, we're skipping like so many seasons, but these look like mini eggs, and they've got some gorgeous notebooks. I love making notes for kind of videos and things like that, so these are super handy, and who doesn't bloody love a notebook? Because I know I do, so I'm super excited about that. I also got this gorgeous travel mug. I love this, and it's so suave looking. Like, this looks amazing, and it's got kind of a really nice soft close up there. And although I don't drink tea or coffee, I love taking out a nice hot chocolate when I'm going out somewhere cold. If I'm going for a walk, or if I'm going out somewhere that I know is going to be cold, like a market or something like that, I like to take kind of a travel mug of hot chocolate in. And I've got a Disney one, but it's starting to leak, so this is absolutely perfect. I can take out my hot drinks, my hot chocolates in this, so I'm so excited. I also got some Scentsy warm like wax melts to go in my wax melter. Now this smell is called Hug in a Mug. So if you know Scentsy Scents, this is amazing. It smells a bit like a caramel hot chocolate, like it literally does. It's like very, very sweet and also quite warm. And yeah, it just smells like food, and they're the scents I like. Sort of anything caramelly, chocolatey are my favourite, and this just smells insane. Very cozy, and I can't wait to have this on kind of autumn and winter time. It's gonna be a perfect thing to go in my wax melter. I also got some Mickey car air fresheners, which I'll insert a picture of because they're actually already in my car. And they're just these gorgeous kind of diamante, air fresheners. So you put these little tabs in and they have the scent in, and then it sits kind of in your air vents. And it's just absolutely gorgeous and I love it. It's very glitzy and very much fits in the theme of my car. If you haven't seen my decorating my Barney kind of car video, then definitely go and check that out because it's a good video. My car looks super cute. But they also got me some gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous little Minnie Mouse earrings. And they're just these little studs, which is perfect. I love a little plain stud. But the fact that they're little minis, I think it's going to be so cute. And I'm so excited to wear these in Disneyland and also just in my day-to-day life because they're so gorgeous. And then I also got this book, which is Quotes to Live Your Life by, and it's all Disney quotes. So I open up one, and so this is from, let's find a good one. I'm going to ones I don't actually know. Okay, this is by Mushu, and it says, "We started the thing together and that's how we will finish it." And I just love it. And the first time I opened this as well, I opened it up on a page that was a Ratatouille quote, and I was like, oh my gosh, my favourite. So yeah, super excited by this. I would like to look through this, and it'd be good for Instagram captions as well. I know it's a really stupid thing to think about, but if I'm stuck for an Instagram caption, I will just go through this and pick one, because I think they're absolutely lovely. And who doesn't love a Disney quote? I then got some Chockies, again, which I've just realised the bottom has opened. Some Chockies, which is amazing. Who doesn't love a Chockie? Although I've literally eaten so much rubbish for the past like 3 weeks because we've been so busy before, and literally just been eating like takeaways and big indulgent dinners. So I definitely feel like I need just broccoli for the next week because my body is like craving some sort of healthy food. I also got this gorgeous bracelet. Let me get it out of the box. I'll put it very tidily back in the bag and the box. And it's just this gorgeous pink bracelet. So it's by Thomas Sabo, is that how you say that? And it is just this gorgeous pink kind of pearlescent bracelet. Now this is gorgeous, and actually I feel like my birthstone is opal, which is kind of like a pearlescent, which is super fun, and I'm really excited by this. And I think there's actually a room to put a charm on there, so I don't know if I'll go in there and pick up a charm for this. I think that'd be super gorgeous, especially with an all pink outfit, which I do love an all pink, so I think this would be super cute to kind of pair with something like that. And I literally love jewellery. I definitely think jewellery is kind of the way I'm going, kind of plain-ish outfits and then like a nice statement piece of jewellery I really, really love. I also got some books. So these are kind of sex education books, and I just feel like these are so interesting. I've recently found loads of sex educators online, and I just find it fascinating. So I picked up some books. This is the Come As You Are workbook. So this is kind of like little practical things that you can do, and I'm really excited to read this. And obviously after I read all these, if you guys want some videos on this topic, obviously I'm no expert, but I will tell you all my best tips I found out from these books. And then also I got Vagina, a Re-Education, which would be really interesting to read. And then in my bedroom, I'm actually already reading Mind the Gap, which is basically about the orgasm gap and kind of about the history of sex. And it's like how to future-proof your sex life. That was a lot of mouthful words I couldn't get out of my mouth. But yes, I'm really excited to read that, and I started reading that one and I really, really enjoy it. So then I can't wait to read these ones afterwards. I think they'll be really good. And I think finally, or I feel like there's presents everywhere around this house, so I think this is the final thing. I got this gorgeous necklace. Now I absolutely love this. I'm going to try and show you the details on this, but it is just this gorgeous kind of female body outline. I think this is super cute. It's on a gold pendant, which again I say I love, and I think this is gorgeous with an all black outfit, and it's just a really nice dainty necklace. Also, my parents have paid for Disneyland Paris, which I'm super excited for, and I had a lovely party with all my friends and family there, and it was just so nice, and it's just been a really, really lovely weekend. I also had my friend Charlotte's 21st as well, so we all went out for that. So it seems to be a really hectic weekend, but it was absolutely lovely. Thank you for all the lovely happy birthday messages, and yeah, I think that's it. I need to now go and put this all away, which I've kind of been dreading because there's so much stuff and I don't really know where to put it all. But yes, if you liked today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment what your favourite present you've ever received is in the comments, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!